So I have my poke with tofu. Yes, the dissertation. I'd like to hear that we have progress with that. Moved is better. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Hello, the favorite one. How are you? His country, how are you? Thank you for my love. I appreciate you all. So we're lighting it up slowly but surely. Bum, 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 bum. So let's go. 1, 2. Okay, and we're going to need something over there for light too. We're doing a little seaside village. So far what we have is the little seawall right here that we're working on. I have a little turtle, little landing pad sanctuary right there that they like. Um, yeah, so we're working on all of that. And I think we're going to take this down like this just a little bit to give Mr. Sea Turtle a little bit more room. Excuse me for interrupting your nap. I know. Well, I run. I run occasionally. See, look, I'm running. Are you happy? I'm just kidding. So this over here is going to lead down to like a little picnic area overlooking the ocean. And then I'm going to think we have to put something along like right here. Almost like maybe we'll put like some sand, like some cut sandstone and some lights or something. Yeah, because I get so focused on what I'm building that I forget that I'm in a hurry. We might end up making up here. I'm not 100% sure. I've got to do something with this. There's a mine shaft right there. Mine shaft, baby. Mine shaft, baby. So I'm thinking